This is it, guys. 1 week from today, Saturday, January 20th, we are holding a Super Saturday marketing workshop in this room, this vision room. And what we're going to be teaching you, if you're not aware, is we're going to teach you how to build a team of real estate investors, and we're going to pay you to build that team. Guys, our business, our community is so unique in the sense that we actually get paid to bring people into our community. To bring in other investors, people we can do more deals with, we get paid to do so. But how do you do that, right? How did we build the organization that we have in about 14 months since we opened up this office? We did it through a form of affiliate marketing. Guys, it is extremely profitable. What if there was a way that we could help you fund your real estate operation? What if there was a way that I could tell you that you could start getting paid next week? You just need to know what to do. Guys, this company has paid me close to $400,000. I've earned close to $400,000 in about 18 months. Just by referring people, by building a community, by bringing in the people that we do deals with now. I get paid to do so. You get paid to do so. But you got to know how to do it. Guys, we're going to break it down. We're going to show you exactly what to do so that you can start making money like next week. And then we're going to show you how that making money that you make, you can roll it back into your investing business and how we can all do more deals. You know, the amazing thing about me is looking at our Facebook group, seeing the amount of deals being done. Guys, if this group wasn't here, those deals wouldn't be done. If somebody didn't invite them to a meeting like we're going to have a week from today, the deals wouldn't have taken place. The people who have retired and left their jobs to become full-time real estate investors, it never would have happened. So guys, register. Register on this page. Join us next Saturday. If you're watching this, you're not close, you're not able to come to Langhorne, PA in the DVIG office, we're going to live stream it. Watch it remotely. If you have a wedding or you're busy next Saturday, get the recording. Get your ticket. It'll be the best 50 bucks you ever spent. What else can you do? Guys, you know, people ask me all the time, Brian, how soon can I start making money in real estate? Well, it may take you 3 to 6 months, right? But on our affiliate side, you can start getting paid. You can earn money next week. You'll probably literally get paid in the next 10 to 15 days, like cash, money in your account. So guys, if that's something you're interested in to kick off this new year, and I know you all are, make sure you register, and we'll see you next Saturday on the 20th. Join us here in one of these seats. We're going to make some money. I'll see you guys.